Controversial stablecoin, UST, which is meant to be pegged to the dollar, plummets below 30 cents, which is crazy. So the two main tokens from embattled crypto project Terra went to freefall Wednesday. Terra USD or UST plunged to as low as 26 cents. The so-called stablecoin is meant to maintain a one-to-one peg with the US dollar. It was last trading at around 68 cents according to Coinmetrics data. Sister token Luna, which has a floating price and is meant to serve as a kind of shock absorber for UST, at one point dived to less than 90 cents before recovering slightly to $1.18. The coin has lost roughly 96% of its value in the past 7 days and now has a smaller market value than its stablecoin counterpart. Blue chip tokens Bitcoin and Ether saw wild swings throughout the day as traders monitored UST's descent as well as hotter than expected April inflation data. Bitcoin was last up 1% at 31,377, having previously slumped below 30,000. I think it's back down under 30 at the time of this recording. Stablecoins are akin to bank accounts for the crypto economy, offering in quotes, a sound store of value to avoid the kind of volatility cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have become notorious for, in theory, at least. So UST is what's known as an algorithmic stablecoin. It uses a complex system of minting and burning tokens to adjust supply and stabilize prices. UST's price has crumbled under the pressure of a sell-off in cryptocurrencies recently, resulting in further panic in the market. Do Kwon, the coin's creator, made a last-ditch effort to return UST to its $1 peg by increasing the rate at which new Luna is minted per day. The venture is essentially allowing supply of a stablecoin to be eaten up, a move it hopes will boost the price. I understand the last 72 hours have been extremely tough on all of you. Know that I am resolved to work with every one of you to weather this crisis, and we will build our way out of this, Kwon tweeted Wednesday. Investors had hoped for a fresh capital injection to boost the project. Backers of UST are reportedly seeking to raise more than $1 billion in funding to prop up the stablecoin. Vijay Iyer, head of international at crypto exchange Luno, said Kwon's announcement did not inspire confidence. They're letting the system bleed out in the hope that it will start repegging back when the excess UST supply has been worn out, Iyer said. Kwon has amassed billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin through his Luna Foundation Guard Fund to support UST in times of crisis. The fear now is that Luna Foundation Guard dumps those Bitcoins onto the market, resulting in an even bigger sell-off. Bitcoin briefly slumped below $30,000 Wednesday, the second time in a week it has fallen beneath that level. The world's biggest cryptocurrency is down over 50% since its November all-time high, as investors flee risky assets amid fears over rising inflation and slowing economic growth. Algorithmic stablecoins are still a relatively new phenomenon, but USD has grown to become a major player in the crypto economy with a circulating supply of 16 billion tokens. David Moreno Doracas, a research analyst at Crypto Compare, said the situation highlights the fragility of algorithmic stablecoins like UST. UST has grown to be both an integral and controversial piece of the crypto ecosystem, he said. Feel free to give your thoughts. And here's the thing, right? I think so far there's really only like one main stable coin, and I think that's USDC, I believe. But either way, it's like the crypto economy is going to be extremely erratic for probably the next year. Like this remaining year is probably going to go absolutely insane. Who knows? Bitcoin could maybe go all the way down to $10,000 and then shoot all the way up to $100,000. You never know, right? But either way, pretty crazy.